Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on lines and angles. So in this video, we'll discuss some of the extra questions related to lines and angles which are generally seen in examination. So you have to watch this video very carefully. These type of questions are seen as kind of 5 marks questions. So it's very important to watch this video. So let's get started with the first question. That is question number 1. Question number 1, it says that in figure OD is a bisector of angle AOC, means OD is a bisector of angle AOC, means this angle is equals to this angle, and OE is a bisector of angle BOC, means this angle equals to this angle, and OD is perpendicular to OE. Now means this OD makes 90-degree angle, means this angle is 90-degree with OE. Now we have to show that AOB are collinear, means they lie on a straight line, right? Means we have to prove that angle AOB is 180 degree. Now for our convenience, let's mark these angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Now angle AOB can be written as angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Now we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. So how we can prove that? It's given that OD is perpendicular to OE, means line OD makes 90-degree angle with OE. You can say this line makes 90-degree angle with OE. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90-degree, right? So we have our first equation. Now it's given that OD is bisector of angle AOC, means angle 1 equals to angle 3. Why? Because OD is a bisector of angle AOC. Let it be second equation. Similarly, we can write OE is bisector of angle BOC. So we can write angle 2 equals to angle 4. Let it be 3. Now add 2 and 3. See what we get. We get angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree from 1. So we can write angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 90 degree. Now let's mark this equation as 4. Now if we add equation 1 and 4, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree and plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 90 degree. So if we add them, what we get is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Now this is AOB as we have mentioned. So angle AOB is 180 degree. So this what proves that AOB are collinear points. So this is how we can prove these type of question. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says that in figure angle 1 is 60 degree, means this is 60 degree. Angle 6 is 120, means this is 120. Show that lines M and N are parallel, means we have to prove lines M and N are parallel, right? Now let's see how we can do this. We know that it's given that angle 1 is 60 degree and angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Why? Because L is a straight line and it forms linear pair, right? So this means it will be 60 plus angle 4 will be equals to 180. So angle 4 is 180 minus 60, so it is 120. So means angle 4 is 120, means this angle is 120. Similarly, angle 6 plus angle 5 is also 180. Why? Because n is a straight line and forms linear pair, right? Forms linear pair. Now, so we have angle 6 as 120 plus angle 5 equals to 180. So angle 5 equals to 180 minus 120. So angle 5 equals to 60 degree. So we have angle 5 as 60 degree. Now, if we add angle 4 plus angle 5, it comes out to be 120 plus 60, and angle 4 plus angle 5 makes 180 degree. So what does this imply? Angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180, means angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles. So we can say that M and N are parallel lines. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. So let's move on to question number 3 now. The question number 3 says that AP and PQ are the bisectors, means these are the bisectors, means this angle equals to this angle equals to this angle of two alternate interior angles. These angles are alternate interior angles formed by the intersection of the transversal. So this is a transversal with parallel lines L and M. So these are the parallel lines L and M. We have to show that these two lines AP and BQ are parallel lines. So let's see how we can do this. Now, it's very easy. It's given that L and M are parallel lines, right? So this means what? These are the interior alternative angles, right? So we can write, let's mark this point as, we can say X and this as Y. So we can say that angle XAB will be equals to angle, we can say M, small m, BA. Why? They are alternate interior angles. They are alternate interior angles. So how we can do this? It's given that AP is bisector of angle XAB. So we can write angle XAB as, angle XAB can be written as 2 times angle PAB, let it be first. Similarly, it's given that BQ is bisector of angle MBA. So we can write angle MBA is 2 times angle QBA, let it be 2. Now we have this equation, so we can put the values of 1 and 2 in this equation. So what we get is 2 times angle PAB will be equals to 2 times angle QBA, means 2 times this angle will be equals to this angle. So this and this will cancel out. So we get angle PAB equals to angle QBA. Now these pair of angles, as you can see clearly, these pair of angles, angle PAB and angle QBA, make a pair of alternate interior angles if lines AP and BQ are parallel. So this implies is AP is parallel to BQ. So this is how we can prove that. So let's move on to the next question, question number 4. Now it's very interesting question, you have to watch this question very carefully. Now, question says that BA is parallel to ED and BC is parallel to EF. We have to show that this angle, angle ABC, like this angle equals to this angle. So what we can do in this question is we can extend the lines like this and this like this. Let this be O and let this be X. So let's see how we can do this question. It's given that lines BC is parallel to EF. So we can write angle ABC is equals to angle AOE, means this angle is equals to this angle AOE. Why? They are corresponding angles. Why they are corresponding? Because BC, this line is parallel to this line, and this line, we can extend this line also, and AB makes a transversal. Like this line makes a transversal, so this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, right? Now, it's also given that lines BA is parallel to ED, like this line is parallel to this line. Now if this line is parallel to this line and this line now makes a transversal, and OF makes a transversal, so this means what? This implies is angle AOE is equals to angle DEF. Again, they are corresponding angles, right? So let's mark this equation as 1 and this as equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 we can imply that angle ABC is equals to angle AOE, and angle AOE is equals to angle DEF. So this implies is angle ABC is equals to angle DEF. So this is how we can prove this type of question. So let's move on to the next question. Now the question says, kind of same type of question but also very important. The question says that this line again is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. Same, we'll extend the lines like this and like this. So let's mark this X and let's mark this as, or take it as a point A. Now we have to show that angle ABC, like this angle, plus angle DEF, this angle equals to 180 degree. Now let's see how we can do this. It's given that line BC is parallel to EF, this line is parallel to this line, and AB is a transversal. So we can write like this line BC is parallel to EF and AB makes a transversal. So we can write angle ABC plus angle FAB equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they make a pair of co-interior angles, right? Let me mark with another pen. See, angle ABC is this angle, angle FAB is this angle. So these two lines are parallel lines, like this line, and AB makes a transversal. So these pair of angles are co-interior angles. Now it's also given that lines BA is parallel to ED, like this line is parallel to ED, and we can say that AF and AF makes a transversal. So we can write angle BAF will be equals to angle, we can write DEF. Why? Because they make a pair of corresponding angles, right? So let's mark this equation as 1 and let's mark this equation as 2. So we can replace this angle with this angle because they are equal. FAB means this angle, BAF means this angle again. So what we can write is angle, we can write angle ABC plus angle FAB is 180 and angle BAF is equals to angle DEF. So we can write from 1 and 2 angle ABC plus angle DEF equals to 180 degree. So this is how we can prove these type of questions. Let's move on to the next question, the last question of this video. Question says, in figure DE is parallel to QR and AP and BP are the bisectors of angle EAB, means this angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle. We have to find angle APB, means this angle. So we have to find this angle. So let's see how we can do this. Now it's given that DE is parallel to QR. So angle EAB is plus angle RBA is 180 degree. Why? Because they make a pair of co-interior angles, right? They make a pair of co-interior angles. Angle EAB means this angle, angle RBA means this angle. Now AP is bisector of angle EAB. So this means we can write angle EAB as 2 times angle PAB, right? Similarly, it's given that BP is bisector of angle RBA. So what we can do is we can write angle RBA is 2 times angle PBA. Now let's mark this equation as 1, 2 and 3. Now what we can do is we can put the values of 2 and 3 in 1. So what we get is 2 times angle PAB plus 2 times angle PBA is 180 degree. So we can take 2 as common out, it will come angle PAB plus angle PBA equals to 180 degree. So it will come angle PAB plus angle PBA equals to 90 degree. So we got this plus this angle is 90 degree. So let's mark this equation as 5. Now what we have to do further is we have to consider triangle APB. Now in this triangle, angle PAB plus angle PBA plus angle APB is 180 degree. Why? Because it's angle sum property. So we have angle PAB plus angle PBA is 90 degree. So we can write 90 plus angle APB is 180 degree. So angle APB is 180 minus 90. So angle APB is 90 degree. So we got angle APB as 90 degree. So this is how we can find these type of questions. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day ahead.